everyone! Ever wondered how to organize custom objects in C#? When you have an array of products, sorting simply means rearranging them into a defined order, like listing items alphabetically by name or ordering them from lowest to highest price so your users can find what they need fast. To do this in C#, you've got three fantastic options. First, you can use Array.Sort along with a comparison delegate, telling C# exactly how to compare two products on the fly. Second, you can use link's order by method, which gives you a very clean, readable way to query your data. And third, you can implement the iComparable interface right inside your product class to give your objects a single permanent default sorting order. Here's a crucial difference to keep in mind. Array.Sort modifies your original array directly in place, rearranging memory without creating extra objects. On the flip side, link's order by leaves your original array completely untouched and returns a brand new sorted sequence instead. Need to sort by more than one detail? Like grouping products by category first and then sorting by price within each category? Link makes this effortless by chaining order by with then by, letting you create layered, multi-level sorting logic in just one simple line of code. So here's your quick takeaway. Use link's order by for fast, flexible, one-off sorting when you don't want to change your original data. But if your product class has one obvious natural sorting order, like always ordering by product ID or name, go ahead and implement iComparable directly on the class. Happy coding!